Thank you so much for joining me today. So we are going to be looking at changing the subject. I've got two problems here, and we know that here we've got A over here, and our second problem we've got A here and here. So the main thing is trying to have one A. So this first one is a bit easier. We need to use our fraction understanding. And the first thing I look at is this equal sign. The equal sign means the same. So both sides are the exact same. Whatever I do to one side, I must do to the other. So to start off, I'm going to get 1 divided by b away on the other side so I don't have to deal with it. So to do that, I'm just going to take 1b away from this side. Just remember, whatever I do to one side, I must do to the other. So I will take 1b away. Next thing I look at, 1b take 1b, cancels out. So I can rewrite that as 1 divided by a equals 1 divided by c, take 1 divided by b. I've still got 1 divided by a on this side. Now, I can do it a simple way, but I'm going to break it down so you can see it. Now, one thing I know with this side, I'm going to put this in brackets. On this side here, it's dividing by a. So what's the opposite of dividing by a? Multiplying. Well done. So let's have a look. So if I want to get a from this side over here, I'm going to times it by a. So that means I will times this side by a. So I'll rewrite that. That cancels out, just leaves me with 1. Then I've got a in brackets, 1 divided by c, take 1 divided by b in brackets. Next step, I want a by itself. So this a has been times by this, so a can be divided by all of that. So it will become, I will divide this side by 1c, take 1b, and I will divide this side by 1c, take 1b. Remember, whatever I do to one side, I must do to the other. So this side cancels out, and I am left with 1c, take 1b equals a. So, and that is our answer. Let's move on to our next question. A take a divided by b equals 1. The first thing I think about is factorizing. They both have a in common. So I know that a can be on the outside. And I can have, there was 1a, and it was a divided by b. There was no number, so I leave it as 1 over b. If I can double check that, and this is where we can double check with algebra. A times 1 equals a times 1 over b, it's a times 1 equals a over b. Exactly the same. Next, I look at a is being times by this, so to get this gone, I need to divide by that on both sides. So that will leave me with a equals 1 over 1 take 1 over b. And there you have it. The key to this one was we had to factorize, and the key to this one is really breaking the question down into parts to make sure that we're understanding it. I really hope that helps you understand how to change the subject. If you need any extra help, message me and I'll get back to you.